This instructional video will demonstrate how to replace a toner cartridge in the Kyocera M2540 printer. When the printer screen indicates that it is time to replace toner, use this procedure. To maintain image quality, we recommend using genuine Kyocera toner containers. Genuine Kyocera toner is engineered specifically for Kyocera printers. Using any toner that is not genuine Kyocera toner may affect print quality and could damage the printer. Open the front cover by pressing this button. Pull the front cover down. Unlock the container by pushing this blue button. Remove the old container by pulling it downwards and pull it out of the printer. Put the old toner container into the provided plastic waste bag and seal the bag. The toner containers are manufactured from recycled plastic, so put the used toner container into the recycle bin. Remove the new toner container from its box, being careful not to touch this part of the container. Shake the toner back and forth 5 or 6 times. Grasp the toner with both hands and insert it into the printer, and then tilt it upwards until it clicks into place, making sure these 2 arrows face each other. Close the cover. Allow the machine to idle until it is ready. This could take several minutes, so please be patient.